How to find mentions notification settings on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find mentions notification settings on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click hub. Here is it, and now click the story lines. Once you're here, click settings and then click notifications and scroll down until you find events, and here you will find it mentions. Now just click on it and here you can manage it, and I hope that can help you because it's easy, and that's it. Just manage here until you want and go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.